y'all, this is Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. I have a haul for you today. This is from Blair. This is the first time I've ordered from them, and it's really not a haul, it's just two things, but I did want to share what I got. It's a gift that I want. Well, one's a gift, one's for me. So I wanted to share this, and I got it really quick because I just ordered it the end of last week. I was really hoping I would get it by today, since tomorrow is Thanksgiving, because I wanted to give it to my mother-in-law for a gift, because this is an early Christmas present, and I wanted her to enjoy it throughout the season for Christmas, because it's something for Christmas. So I'm just going to get in here and start getting it opened. And you're probably going to hear the dogs bark. Nugget is going nuts because of the wind is really whipping out there tonight. And to tell you a funny story while I'm opening this, I went out there to get something. My little windmill, one of those little Dollar Tree windmills was out in my planter, and it kept hitting the back door. We have glass back doors, and one of them, it was hitting it, and I went out there to get it and bring it in so it would quit tapping the door, and he kept thinking somebody was knocking, so I went to bring it in. Well, when I did that, of course, Ella comes out behind me, and I didn't know it, and I come in, shut the door, and I thought, well, now what's out there tapping on the door? He's still barking. So I go back out there finally. I was fixing some coffee. After I fixed my coffee, I go back out there, open the door, and there's Ella at the door wanting in. I thought, well, girl, it's a good thing I came to the door. Because I kept thinking, well, now what's tapping at my door? And it was her tapping at the door saying, let me in, you locked me out. I thought, oh goodness, these dogs are going to drive me crazy. So, anyway, if you don't know about Blair, this is a catalog you can get, and I'll try to put their link down below. You can get a credit card through them, and they also have other sites that they're affiliated with too. I can't remember, there's like 3 or 4 other places, but they have clothes and Christmas decor, home decor, just all kinds of stuff. This is their clearance right now, so they have all kinds of stuff in there. And then, like I said, they have like blankets, electric blankets. They have, you know, curtains, and actually I'm going to be ordering those cute little curtains right there. I want those. So they have really cute things. They have cute things out for Christmas. And well, they have a lot of new things I see too. And the prices are really reasonable. So my husband had got me started in with them, but he's been telling me, why don't you check Blair out, you know. So I saw these trees, and I'm gonna check these out. I like how they packaged. Looks like they packaged them really well. But I ordered one for me and one for my, like I said, my mom. Probably open both just to make sure. I think if I remember, I ordered both white, but I ordered hers white with colored lights, and mine was they're porcelain trees that light up. We used to have some years ago, and we lost them through the years. An aunt of mine actually made ours though. So we were just, I was really happy. So was she that we had found, or that I had found them. I told her I had found them and I was going to get us some. So let's check them out. Let's see. I got me the smaller size and her the bigger one. I think they were on sale. Yeah, this is really small. I kind of wish now I would have gone ahead and gotten the bigger one. But that's okay. It is still real pretty. Yeah, I have to put batteries in it. Let me go see if I can find me some batteries. Okay, so this does take 3 AAA batteries. Oh, looky there. I'll probably have to turn that light off that's on so you can see it better. This is nice. These are actually glued in so nothing falls out too. So that's nice. I'm probably going to like hers a lot better. I may have to order me another one in a larger size and put them together. So that is nice. I like this. Okay, let's check out hers. Make sure everything's right with hers. I definitely wish I'd have gotten the bigger one. I was afraid of that. Well, I had problems with their website. And Nugget, hush. So I had to end up, see, I love that big star. And here, I'll show y'all just in a minute, just the difference in the size. I'm gonna put some batteries in hers. I don't know if these work or not, but we're not gonna leave them in there because I'm low on batteries. Okay. Got to get to the Dollar Tree or Walmart somewhere and get me some batteries. Dollar General somewhere. I forgot when I was at Dollar General to see about some batteries. Okay. Is it lit? Yeah, it's lit. It's hard to tell. I definitely like the clear better because you can definitely tell it's more lit. The color you can hardly tell. Let's put the star in. Yeah, you can't even tell that's lit. I'll definitely have to show it somewhere, but let me just show you the difference in the sizes. See there? And I'm gonna set them up together. And yeah, you can see how the white lights definitely are much brighter. Of course, it could be the batteries too. Those batteries might not be as good. So I thank y'all for watching. I know she's gonna love this. And y'all remember to please subscribe if you're not a subscriber and click that notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day and have a happy Thanksgiving. See you again soon.